Some pretty sticky weather if you're heading off to Madrid at 39 degrees Saturday and Sunday. A little cooler, you might say, for Athens at 30 degrees, somewhat nearer average. And of course it is still very unsettled in northeastern parts of Europe. Those showers and heavy downpours will continue throughout the weekend in Moscow, and they're all tied in with a fairly slow-moving area of low pressure. Here in the UK, however, the pressure is building, which means that the weather for most of us should be dry and fine. In fact, that high pressure stays with us into early next week. It's really from midweek onwards that we start to see low pressure moving up from the continent, and with it, that pretty warm and sticky air. Our main problem today is cloud once again for eastern parts of England and the northeast of Scotland. As you can see, there's rather a lot of cloud around. The best of the sunshine, therefore, will continue to be further south and west this afternoon. The cloud's even thick enough for the odd spot of drizzle, but it is much brighter today for North Wales, northwest England. We may even see a little sunshine peeping through in Northern Ireland too. So feeling warmer in the areas where we saw no sunshine yesterday. For example, Manchester, just 13 or 14 under the blanket of cloud, again peaking in the south. But it is set to warm up, as I've hinted, through the weekend, gradually warming up, but it's into next week that we start to see the temperatures really rising up into southern parts of Scotland too, temperatures into the mid-20 degrees Celsius. As always, I do need to say we've got some very high levels of pollen again today and some very strong sunshine, the highest it gets, 6 or 7 on a scale of 1 to 10. Tonight we will keep quite a bit of our cloud in eastern areas and probably find more cloud coming into Northern Ireland and southwestern England, so not quite so chilly as last night, but still fairly cool in rural areas, and there'll probably be a little bit more cloud around in southern parts of the UK for tomorrow. The better chance, I think, of a few brighter spells developing in the east, and just an outside chance of a shower. I think more so for Northern Ireland and Scotland come Sunday, but hot and sunny further south and east, and that weather looks set to stay with us through Monday. Still rather cool with some showers in northwestern areas, but even into Tuesday it's warming up for many of us with plenty of sunshine. So at this stage the prospects for Wimbledon are pretty good, Monday and Tuesday anyway, but with an increased risk of some showers as we head towards the middle of the week. George.